If you're someone who speaks English in meetings and presentations and you want to feel more confident when you speak, then you're in the right place, because in this tutorial I'm going to give you 5 quick and easy exercises that you can do every morning to warm your mouth up so that you're ready to speak clear and natural English. It takes less than 3 minutes to complete, and you'll feel the improvement in all of your important English conversations. We're going to do each exercise for 30 seconds and then we're going to move right on to the next one. Let's get right into the first exercise. The first exercise I call long vowel lips, and that's because we're going to go between 2 long English vowel sounds, and this will help you for 2 reasons. 1, it'll get your lips comfortable and warmed up going between 2 of the most extreme positions in English. And 2, if you don't have long English vowel sounds in your language, it's going to help you to get comfortable feeling the correct pronunciation of these long English vowel sounds. Make sure that you're really stretching your lips and feeling the tension. The next exercise I call tongue circles, and you'll find this effective because in this exercise you're really training the mobility and control of your tongue. You stick your tongue right out your mouth and then move it for 15 seconds in a clockwise direction, and then for the next 15 seconds in an anti-clockwise direction. Do this as slowly as you need to remain in control of your tongue at all points throughout the movement. The next 2 exercises are going to continue to warm up the tongue, and these exercises are so effective if you struggle to make sounds in English like the TH sound, where your tongue goes out in between your teeth. For this one, we're going to stick our tongue out in between our teeth and then move from left to right in a slow and controlled manner. Really feel the tension in the back of your tongue. Make sure you're sticking it out as far as you can in between your teeth and slowly from left to right. The next exercise is fairly similar, but this time we're going to go up and down with our tongue. Again, this is a different exercise. I really recommend doing them both because this time we're training the tip of the tongue in a different direction. This exercise is especially useful for sounds like t and d in English, where our tongue is touching the roof of our mouth in a light and controlled manner. And by training this exercise, you're really giving your tongue that control when it's pointing up to the roof of your mouth. If you're finding this tutorial useful and you can see how it's going to help you to speak English more clearly, then make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on so that you can get notified when I do live pronunciation trainings and release future videos for you. This final exercise is one of my favourites for loosening up your cheeks and your lips. Start the exercise in a B sound position, B, and then explode out and let your lips and your cheeks vibrate. One of the main things that can make you sound unnatural in English is being too tense in the mouth when you're speaking. So this is a fantastic exercise to do to loosen your mouth up before you speak English. So here are 5 quick and easy exercises, and I highly recommend that you do these before every important conversation in English. Now, it's not always practical to do these exercises, especially if you're in a public place, and that's why I recommend that you make this warm-up that I've just given you here part of your daily morning routine. You can do it when you're in the shower, when you're washing up, when you're in the car on the way to work. Whenever you've got a spare few minutes, do this exercise, and it's going to prepare you for the day ahead to make sure that you're feeling confident to speak English. Now, if you want to get notified when I do my live English pronunciation trainings here on YouTube, then make sure that you turn that notification bell on when you subscribe to the channel, and that way you'll get to know when I'm doing my live trainings and you can join and get the benefits of them too. Now, I told you that I had a bonus tip coming up at the end of the video. I've just given you 5 exercises that you can use to help you with your English. However, there are many more exercises that some of my most successful clients use to help them to speak English clearly and to prepare themselves and their mouth and their tongue for confident English speech. And if you want to see what they are, then watch this video right here because I'm sure they'll help you too. So go and watch this video now, and I will see you there in just a second.